Hello, students. Welcome. This is Jyoti Rajput, and today we are going to study a new topic that is Delhi Ridges. The Delhi Ridges. It is an extension of the Aravalli Hill Range in the National Capital Territory of Delhi. It is a rocky, hilly, forested area which lends a unique geographical character to the Delhi. It is also called the green lungs of the city, as it is the one which is reducing the pollution and it is providing a natural green belt to the city. The Delhi Ridges is the tail end of the ancient Aravalli Hills, which are around 1,500 million years old and stretches around 800 kilometers from the Strait of Gujarat through Rajasthan and Haryana and finally ends at Delhi. Rightly, it is called the lungs of Delhi, and providing it is providing the protection to the city from the hot winds of the Rajasthan desert owing to its greenery. It is a home of a wide variety of flora and fauna native to the Delhi region, and it is preserving the biodiversity of the NCR. Over the years, pressure of urban development have seen the forest of Delhi ridges under great threat. Delhi is not treated the ridge with half the care it deserves. In many areas, landscape public parks and public housing have come up. Plus, the area also faces dumping of construction waste. The ridge, for administrative reason, it is divided for four regions. The very first region is the Old Delhi, or you can say the Northern Ridges. It comprises the area near the Delhi University. It's approximately 87 hectares in size and was declared a reserve forest in 1915. The next region is the New Delhi, or you can say the Central Ridge, consists of around 864 hectares of forested area from south of Sadar Bazar to Dhalakua. This was declared a reserve forest in 1914. The third one is the Mehrauli or South Central Ridge, consisting of 633 hectares of forested land around the Sanjayvan area near the Jawaharlal Nehru University, the JNU. The Taglakabad, the fourth region, is also called the Southern Ridge, consisting of 6,200 hectares, is the biggest area of the Delhi Ridge. This area also includes the Asola Bhati Wildlife Sanctuary. So this is how all the four zones make up for a total area of approximately 7,784 hectares, spreading all over the entire city in different patches. The Asola Bhati Wildlife Sanctuary near the Taglakabad in South Delhi is the best preserved area of the Delhi Ridge. This wildlife sanctuary is the best showcase of the ridge flora and fauna. Most of the Delhi native tree and plant specimen can be found here, along with the 200 species of animals, including mammals, birds, butterfly, and insects. Some of the animal species, which were in abundance in Delhi around 100 years back, can now only be found in the Asola area, such as nilgai, blackbuck, black-necked hare, porcupine, civets, jackals, jungle cats. Religious buildings, schools, hospital, wireless station, satellite, TV station, and even petrol pump continue to be built on the ridges. Forest Department of Delhi has set up a conservation education center so that we can encourage and spread awareness and also disseminate information on the biodiversity richness of wildlife sanctuary and Delhi ridges. So that we can conserve more and more area of the reserve of the ridge, the Delhi government, in association with the DDA, has developed the Aravalli Biodiversity Park in the South Central Ridges, covering an area around 692 massive areas. The Delhi government also plans to develop similar parks in the future at other ridges also. The Delhi ridges is one of the best places to get away from the urban life within the city itself. There are a number of nature groups which lead a walk in the winter and monsoon season. So it doesn't miss out and take a walk into the side in the wild side of the city at the Delhi ridges. Who knew that such a wealth of biodiversity could be found in the pockets of forested area within the city? So go see yourself, see for yourself. Thank you.